Hi, I'm Arun Kumar Natarajan. I am a principal engineer in GE Additive. The myth I'm going to talk about today is that any kind of binder systems can be used in metal powders to print in binder jetting. However, I think if you use the binders that are used in sand printing molds and stuff and directly take into metal powder bed, if you don't actually burn it cleanly, they become the poison, the carbon, oxygen, sulfur, and whatever you leave behind as debris. Organic debris become poison, and therefore you will get mechanical property debits. So you need to choose the right binder systems that gives robust green strength, handling during depowdering, automation if need be. But once the parts are handled with robustness and everything, but during the process of debinding and sintering, you should be able to completely get rid of the organics during the intermediate stage of sintering in order to get a fully densified metal part without any organic debris at the end. So that you see the two, so binder is the medicine and the poison, so you need it at the early stage of printing and debinding, but not at the end of the stages of sintering and forming a fully metal part. Thank you.